Every YouTuber dreams of turning their content into something that can pay their bills, generate some decent income, and also increase their influence on the platform. Now, if you're a YouTuber and your channel begins to grow, you begin to get views on videos which cross like 10,000 views, you are going to start receiving a lot of emails. And this is because on your About page, you've put your email address so that brands can contact you for collaborations and deals to promote their products, their services, their mobile apps, their games, etc. Now, these kind of mails you receive, I have categorized them into three types, right? We have the good kind of mails that everybody wants to receive. We have the annoying kind of mails, and we have the type of mails you should run away from when you see. And I'm going to mention all those three, go into detail, show examples, so that you can learn a thing or two and avoid being scammed once your channel begins to grow. Coming up next. Now, the first type of mails you're going to receive are from companies or brands who have seen your products, they've seen your channel, they like the quality of content that you're producing, and they want to work with you. Now, these can come in the form of paid sponsorships for their products or services. I'm sure you've all seen the Skillshare and the NordVPN and all those kind of sponsored ads in YouTuber videos, right? Now, those are sweet deals with, well-documented contracts with genuine brands that everybody would love to work with, you understand? And they usually come with some good compensation, some good money for, a mention or a dedicated video or anything of the sort. Then we have brands which will send you free products, and some of these free products, they might give you monetary compensation, or they might not give you monetary compensation in exchange for a review. So you have brands sending you things like these as free products. Those are some of the benefits you get when you are like a tech reviewer. And even if you're not in the tech space and you do other things, you might get food contracts, hotel contracts, so many other kind of brand contracts, right? They may or may not come with financial compensation, but at least they are sweet deals. You get free products. Now, the next set of emails you receive are those that I categorize as annoying. You receive an email that is seeking to promote a brand, a product, or a service for extremely ridiculous prices. So let me give you an example. So you get an email that reads something like, "We saw your video on YouTube about the iPhone 11, which got over 40,000 views. We are a mobile app company and would want you to do a dedicated review of our new game." Well, that's nice, right? I mean, that's really nice, and it's probably in your niche as well, so you might be interested, and you go something like, so you tell the person you are interested and you ask for more details. It's very key. Always tell them, sounds interesting, if you are genuinely interested, and ask for more details. And they tell you, for this kind of video, we would pay you a total of $2, or sometimes the highest $10. If you do accept, please send us your PayPal details, and once you make the video, send to us to review, and if it is approved, we send you the money. All this wahala for just $2 or $10. Those kind of emails are very annoying. Of course, if $2 means a lot to you, you can go ahead and do a video like that. But for me, I find it a complete waste of my time, because the time you're going to do setting up your studio, writing, researching, filming, editing, all that, uploading for $2, that's a bit crazy to me, yeah? But ladies and gentlemen, this is not even the worst kind of email that you are going to receive. Now, the type of email that you're going to receive, which you should absolutely delete immediately it comes into your inbox or your spam or whatever, is the type of email which has this particular kind of format, right? No specific mention of your channel name, no specific mention of any video on your channel. Sometimes the mail is sent to about 100 people at the same time. They use generic terms such as "Dear YouTuber." I mean, dear YouTuber, seriously? Now, these are some of the red flags that you need to avoid when you see such emails, right? Any email which asks you to download a PDF or a brochure or something to look at a product catalog. So, for example, I keep receiving emails from supposedly Nike saying they've chosen me as kind of like a brand ambassador. They want me to promote their content on my YouTube channel. So there's a link to download a PDF which has a catalog of their latest shoes and gear and stuff like that. Just don't, all right? I also keep receiving mails from Mercedes-Benz. I don't know if it's because I made this video with the Mercedes in the background or what, but I keep receiving emails from Mercedes-Benz that I am one of the lucky people to promote their 2021 range of cars. Wow, who wouldn't be excited to work with Mercedes-Benz, right? Now, any email which asks you to download any application onto your computer for any purpose, you need to be extra careful. Now, I'm not saying that all of them are going to be false, but majority of them are going to be fake, scam, phishing applications, right? So I almost fell victim once where I was contacted by a supposedly video editing company, right, who has a new video editing product, right? And of course, it's something I would be able to relate to. I would want to test out a video editing app, and if it works, I would recommend it to you guys. So I downloaded it, and the moment I downloaded it, my antivirus flagged it as a virus, and I reached out to them and said, oh no, you need to turn off your antivirus for it to work. Turn off my antivirus. Are you serious? Any email which comes to you and they say you need to turn off your antivirus to be able to access the application, delete it immediately, run from it. Now, you need to do a lot of background research and due diligence when you receive emails from any brand, whether it is from iPhone, Apple, Samsung, any brand, right? You need to find out if these people are genuine. Do they even have like an influencer program? You can reach out to them on their social media handles or their DMs on Instagram, on Twitter, etc., and find out if they really contacted you and stuff like, especially if it seems too good to be true, especially if they come with an offer of, let's say, $5,000. We are going to pay you $5,000 to review our latest one. Usually they tell you what they want, then they ask you if you are interested. You say you are interested, how much will you charge? You tell them your charge, they negotiate and all those. Those are the ones which seem to be slightly genuine, right? Now, anyone who comes and says, we have a new product, it's a smartwatch, we are going to pay you $10,000 to review this, download this PDF, all the terms and conditions are there, run away. Make sure you do your due diligence, especially when they come with links in the mail and you click on the link and it doesn't take you to a Samsung.com something, but it takes you to a Russian site. Most of them end up taking you to some Russian sites. Just avoid clicking these links. And another tip is, usually these kind of mails, your email company, like, so if you're on Gmail, Google will warn you that these particular kind of emails have been associated with scams and spam and phishing emails and mails which stole people's information in the past. So you need to be careful. Please do not ignore that kind of warning, yeah? Because if you do, you might just expose yourself. And finally, never ever give out your personal information until you've done your due diligence and you are very sure that the company you are working with, those who have contacted you, are legit. Very key. Never ever give out your personal information until you've done so. So I hope these tips helped you. I hope it's opened your eyes. If you are a new content creator or you're a growing content creator, you might have received these in the past. I don't know. What has been your experience? Let me know in the comments below. Have you had these kind of terrible experiences? Let me know so that others can also learn from these. And if you found this video useful, maybe you can share so that other people avoid being scammed. If you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, I do mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode. Thanks, Bebre.